Gather around, dear friends, for a tale as old as time itself, or at least as old as the ancient civilizations that graced our planet. Today, we're delving into the fascinating origins of toothpaste, a humble yet essential concoction that has saved many a smile throughout history. Now, close your eyes and imagine yourself whisked away to the ancient lands of India, where the air is thick with spices and the wisdom of sages flows like the sacred rivers. It's here, amidst the vibrant tapestry of Indian culture, that we find the earliest traces of toothpaste alternatives. Picture this: a bustling marketplace, where merchants hawk their wares amidst a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells. Among the exotic treasures on offer are herbs and spices that, unbeknownst to many, hold the key to oral hygiene. In ancient India, the practice of oral care was a revered ritual, intertwined with the teachings of Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine. The wise sages of yore understood the importance of maintaining dental health, and they devised ingenious methods to keep their pearly whites sparkling. One such method involved the use of neem twigs, known as datun in Hindi, which were chewed to clean the teeth and freshen the breath. Neem, with its potent antibacterial properties, served as a natural toothbrush, scrubbing away plaque and preventing cavities. But the ingenuity of ancient Indians didn't stop there. They also experimented with a variety of herbal powders and pastes, harnessing the power of nature to create potent oral cleansers. Ingredients like clove, cinnamon, and turmeric were ground into powders and mixed with water to form a paste that not only cleaned the teeth, but also imparted a refreshing fragrance to the breath. Fast forward to ancient Egypt, where another chapter in the saga of toothpaste unfolds. The ancient Egyptians, renowned for their advanced knowledge of medicine and hygiene, concocted their own toothpaste using ingredients like crushed rock salt, mint, and pepper. This gritty paste not only cleaned the teeth, but also helped to ward off foul odors, a blessing in a time when mummies weren't just confined to tombs. But it wasn't until the dawn of the modern era that toothpaste as we know it truly began to take shape. In the 19th century, enterprising individuals began to experiment with various formulations, seeking the perfect balance of cleaning power and palatability. One such pioneer was Dr. Washington Sheffield, who is credited with creating the first commercially produced toothpaste in the United States in 1850. Dr. Sheffield's cream dentifrice, as it was called, was a far cry from the herbal concoctions of yore. It was a smooth, creamy paste flavored with mint and packaged in convenient collapsible tubes. From there, toothpaste continued to evolve, with innovations such as fluoride additives, whitening agents, and even flavors like bubblegum and bacon. Yes, bacon-flavored toothpaste exists, though I can't vouch for its efficacy. Today, toothpaste is a ubiquitous staple of modern life, found in bathrooms and medicine cabinets around the world. But let us not forget the humble beginnings of this essential product, rooted in the wisdom of ancient civilizations and the boundless creativity of the human spirit. So the next time you squeeze a dollop of toothpaste onto your brush, take a moment to reflect on the journey that brought it to your bathroom sink, from the dusty marketplaces of ancient India to the gleaming shelves of your local supermarket. And remember, friends, to always smile brightly, for the world is a brighter place with your sparkling grin. Your support is greatly appreciated. Please subscribe for a continuous supply of knowledge. Thank you.